last longer than 3 years. Okay, so next formula I want to share with you is the oil-based one. When I drop into the water, and then you can see the difference. This one, you can see, this is the oil-based pigment. It's more intensive and it has a lot of oil inside. The oil actually is glycerin. So when we drop into the water, you can see it will not spread as the powder based and the oil based, the water based. So when you are using this oil based pigment is when you do microblading. Okay, when you do microblading, you use the oil based pigment. The blade can take the pigment very well because the blade cannot take the water based and cannot take the powder based, but the microblading, the blade, the needle pins between the pins, it can take the color very well. So when you are using this one, use for microblading, and it will last 1 year, about 1 year. And especially when because this formula is inorganic, so they are iron oxide. When we choose this pigment, it's better to choose some ash colors which will not so easy to turn reddish. Okay, so this one you can see these 3 different formula and how we will choose. So it depends your technique. If your technique, you always do machine work, you use the liquid powder based and the oil based. Now powder based and the water based. If you always do microblading, you use the oil-based pigment. So this is how we choose the different status. And you can do as me, just drop into the water. You can differ the status of different types. Okay, and the retention of the different types is different. The water, the color retention is longer than 3 years. And the powder base, just 1 to 2 years, and the oil base just about 1 year. Why there are difference? Because the water is nanoparticle. It's very small molecule, so it can be penetrated into the skin very easy, and also the cell can wrap the formula, the particles very well and stay on the skin. And also because it has a lot of carbon black. Carbon black is a chemical that can be stay on the skin and can be avoid the SPF. So that when you are UV lines. Okay, so it can stay on the skin longer than other ingredients because the organic, the carbon black is more stable than organic yellow and organic red. Okay, and this one because it's medium particles, and also because there is a little bit oil inside, and it will not so easy to penetrate in the skin. It has the advantage it will not spread, but it cannot be so easy to be implanted on the skin as well. Okay, so this one just 1 to 2 years, and this one is big particles, and especially when you are doing the pigment on oil and dry skin, the microblading is not the best one for for oil skin. For oil skin, in some areas like the Southeastern Asia or some Latino skins, okay, microblading actually is not the best technique. PMU, nanobrows or powder brows, okay, will be better for them. The color will stay longer. If you use oil-based and the microblading on the oily skin, it will the color will go in just 7 days. Someone will just go in 7 days. Someone will just like 28 days, or their color will all gone after the heal the tongue. Okay, so these are the